We are going now on the 18th floor and check the gym out. There's the gym. Oops. Okay, there's the gym.
Subscribe, like, and share. Super Senior.
So this is the lobby of the Park Regis Hotel. It's some pretty channel. And we have here the front desk and some area to just sit down and relax. Let's see this lion. What is he up to? Beautiful. Let's check outside what the weather is like. Good. Beautiful. There's the elevator. And we're just gonna go and see how's the weather. I'm sure it is super cold. Well, it's not. This is the front of the hotel. Also, there's the Bahrain hospital. And if you go to the right, you can see the Crystal Palace. So the Crystal Palace is where you're going to go shopping. That's what I'm told. Middle East Plaza. It's nighttime, so you can see the beautiful Park Regis Hotel up to the 19th floor. Nice color changing lights. This is Park Regis Lotus Hotel for you people here in Bahrain. So this is the gusto. This is the bar of the hotel. Beautiful. So you can play billiard here. What's basketball or football? Nice. Big TV. This is a good place to relax. And here's the bar. Beautiful. Love this. And you can get your favorite drinks. Really, it's the gym again. There were people earlier, so I didn't really able to take a look at what I can do here. So there's good machine here for all your cardio needs. Look at that. Beautiful view. And we got the strength training machine, heavy lifting, everything. Multi-purpose equipment. We have some weights here, which is cool. So you can do all your basic cardio and strength training. eating needs. Pretty good, huh? Nice. So let's go back to the swimming pool and take a look at the view at night. This is the spa. Naka Spa. So you can relax and have a massage. This is the swimming pool right outside the spa. I didn't take a video because it's not really lit brightly and the fiberglass around it is dusty. So I just took a picture of the nighttime skyline, which is really awesome, beautiful as you can see here. Beautiful Bahrain at night. Enjoy! This is Bahrain at night, people. Look at all this. And there's the bus. So there is public transportation also. Diba? Nice car. Welcome to Manama. So this is a reclaimed area, people. Not much going on. Seems quiet. Oops, dumulas ha. Putek! It's almost all hotels here. And there's a supermarket. That's where I'm gonna go and see what we can buy. Would you believe I see Skylace? And this is made in the Philippines. Where else in the world? Ayan, ha? Amazing! So let's see what else we can find here. So it's still the same things. Oh, ladies' choice. Century tuna. Bye. It doesn't have a price. Wala siyang mga price. Ayan. Chocolate forever. This is what I like. And of course, food, Lido. And Anchor. So here, if you want dates, all sorts of coffee. Oh, tea. That's a lot of tea. And then we have here nuts and snacks. Different noodles. These are, I can't read. Sauces. Low sodium salt, oil. Ooh, datu puti. Amazing. Silver one. Nice. These are the spices. There you go. Everything you need. Biryani. Cumin. Alright. You have your sandwiches. Oh, that's pizza. Fruits. And all butters and everything. Drinks. Ice cream bars. Frozen goods. Soda. And fruits here. Different drinks. Greek yogurt, that's what I want. Ice cream, more ice cream. It's all hotels here. Yeah, but it looks interesting over there. So we'll see what's there. We are walking the streets of Manama here in Juffair. There's my hotel, the beautiful stars. And we're here. See the night grill? Night market. Small trailer store. Uso, di ba? Uy, shawarma. Na? Ayun o. Hindi yan. Ayun o. Oo. Oo. Mediterranean ba ang shawarma? Hindi ba ano yun? Arabic yun? Oo. What is shawarma? Arabic yun. Here are more hotels. More hotels. I wonder what these hotels are for. Of course, for people who want to stay here. But there's so many. But I don't see a lot of malls. Anyway, that's how it is. Bumibisina siya, baka sagasaan niya daw ako eh. Montana Tower. Pwede. Uy, dates. Yan, napakatamis ng kanyang fruits. So, yung bang dates na yun eh, dried or talagang ganun katamis yun? Or minamatamis pa yun?
Hindi.
Bell Tower. See? More hotels here. Nagugulat ako sa mga tao, ha? At bumubusina sila. Okay. Enough of the hotels tonight. Crystal Hotel. Palace pala. Yun, Camel. Yun ang aming hotel. Ganda pala ng ano eh, no? Park Regis. Ganda ng ano niya.